Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the inspiration tab in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. The first thing after opening the app, we will need just to go to the inspiration tab. First, we need to understand the inspiration tab in Instagram edits. It's only giving you inspiration. That means it will start showing you some well engaged and trending reels on Instagram. And as you can see, this one has like 11 million views, this one has like 1 million views, etc. or plays. Now you will see that's the type of their reel. You can see what they are doing, etc. And after that, we will find this plus sign, and that will simply create a new ideas. So in ideas, it will allow you to create stickies where you can write down your ideas. At the end, this is only an inspiration. So you will need just to click on inspiration when you see like a video and uh, let's say you have an idea, uh, then you can write them down on your stickies, idea one, example, idea two, etc. And then click on add. Now you will have your sticky that is concerning this inspiration, and you can also like uh, start having them here in your uh, elements. So as you can see, those are my saved sticky and they are stuck with my inspirations. At the end, you can also use their audio when you want to create something similar to it. So I'm just going to click on use audio, then go to gallery and use the footage that you have saved and click on done. And it will use the same audio of that same inspiration. And at the end, you can start editing on your video and exporting your project. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.